Okay, information overload. It feels like a constant battle, doesn't it? But what if AI could genuinely help cut through all that noise, make you actually well informed almost instantly? Today, we're doing a deep dive into exactly that, focusing on Google Gemini.
Precisely. In Google Gemini, it's really not just another chatbot. Think of it more as Google's AI assistant, really engineered to, boost your productivity, spark creativity, sharpen learning. It's remarkably versatile. Understands text, code, even images,
Yeah.
generates them too. So yeah, this deep dive, it's basically your shortcut to figuring out how to really use this thing.
Right. So our mission basically is to unpack Gemini's main interface, help you get a strategic handle on its different models, and explore those integrated tools. The goal is so you can harness its full potential. Think of it like becoming a Gemini power user fast.
Okay, so when you first open Gemini, the interface, it feels pretty intuitive. That new chat icon, for example, it seems simple, just a fresh start. But if you're juggling complex projects, it's actually like a crucial tool for what you might call context hygiene.
Context hygiene, I like that. So preventing old chats from messing with new results.
Exactly. It keeps previous conversations from bleeding into your new queries,
Mm.
guarantees a clean, unbiased response each time.
Okay. And the recent icon, I imagine that's more than just history. For me, it sounds like a project dashboard, almost.
That's a great way to put it. Yeah, it lets you jump right back into complex prompt chains or, pick up an ongoing task exactly where you left off. You don't have to rebuild your context from scratch. That continuity, incredibly valuable.
Saves a lot of time.
Totally. And then there's the settings and help icon. Beyond just language settings, this is where you tweak privacy controls. And crucially, it's where you can give direct feedback to Google. So you're actually helping shape your own AI experience.
Right, okay. So navigating the basics seems straightforward. But how do we actually match Gemini's power to what we need? That brings us to the models, right? There's that
Mhm.
drop-down menu under the logo. Gemini 2.5 Flash and 2.5 Pro. What's the strategic choice there?
Yeah, this is where it gets interesting. Google's optimized them for different things. Gemini 2.5, Flash, think speed, pure efficiency. It's great for like rapid brainstorming, whipping up quick social media captions, generating email subject lines, high volume, quick turnaround stuff.
Okay, fast and light.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Whereas Gemini 2.5 Pro, that's your heavyweight, your analytical powerhouse. It's built for the intricate task needing deeper reasoning, analyzing dense documents, generating detailed reports, crafting nuanced creative writing. Basically, where high quality and deep understanding are critical, even if it takes a few extra seconds.
Got it. So, Flash for speed and agility, Pro for depth and really detailed work, knowing that difference feels key for using it effectively. All right, so once you picked your model, your AI brain, how do you feed it your info? The Ask Gemini text box is obvious, but that little plus sign next to it, that seems important.
Oh, absolutely. That plus sign is where Gemini goes from just text to a genuine multimodal analysis tool. It's all about richer inputs. You can upload PDFs for it to analyze, attach images for descriptions or context, even drop in links to web pages. This gives Gemini so much more context to work with, leading to way more sophisticated targeted outputs.
And for those of us who prefer talking over typing, there's the microphone icon too, right?
Yep. Click it, speak your query, and Gemini just transcribes it right into the input box. Super handy, hands-free efficiency, especially if you're like walking around or multitasking.
Okay, connecting this all together. The real leverage seems to come from its integrated tools. You mentioned this earlier, accessing specialized Google services directly within Gemini.
That's right. This extends Gemini's abilities way beyond just generating text.
So what kind of services are we talking about? How do they really amplify its power for us?
Well, take deep research. It's not just doing a Google search for you. Gemini actually synthesizes and structures the information it finds. It turns scattered search results into, concise, actionable answers for complex questions. That's a level of synthesis a normal search just doesn't offer.
Right, it does the reading and the summarizing.
Exactly. Or think about images with Imagen. This lets Gemini literally create images based on your text descriptions. It fundamentally changes creative concepting. These tools let Gemini bridge gaps between different types of information, different formats.
Okay, so wrapping this up, what's the big takeaway for you, the listener? Gemini seems like this incredibly versatile, powerful AI tool. It can genuinely enhance creativity, boost productivity, and really supercharge learning across just a huge range of tasks. It feels designed to slot right into how you already work and learn.
And I think what's really powerful is that deep integration with the whole Google ecosystem. It's not just sitting there in isolation. It's connecting the dots. between your documents, your images, web searches,
Mm.
all that disparate information. It pulls it together to give you truly connected, comprehensive insights.
Yeah, that connection piece feels key. Okay, so our final thought for you is this. Don't just, listen to us talk about Gemini's features. You really need to actively explore it, experiment, dive in, and try things out yourself. Because by doing that, you'll discover your personalized ways it can transform how you handle information, solve problems, even approach creative work. That's how you'll find its surprising full potential.